Welcome all. Today we will learn class 8 physics chapter electricity part 1. So today we'll start new chapter of physics. Previous chapter was light. So in today's chapter we will learn the basic concept. First is from the pages of history. The story is experiment of Thales, beginning of electricity. Thales, a mathematician par excellence of ancient Greece, believed that a philosopher could succeed in business if he wished, but a businessman could never be a philosopher. This talented person of great curiosity noticed that an amber rod attracted sawdust on being rubbed. He knew about lodestone, the natural magnet of the legendary tale of Magnums, the shepherd whose boots were stuck while climbing a rocky hill. After a series of experiments on the property of amber, Thales concluded that the power of attraction acquired by amber was also a kind of magnetism. Little did he know that his discovery would turn out to be one of the most fascinating discoveries which laid the foundation of the study of electricity. Today, we will start modern electronic theory of electrification. Science behind the magic. The attraction of the pieces of paper and the sparks on your head appear to be magical. Let us understand the science behind this magic. These occurrences are caused by the development of charges. Let us explore into charges from the modern theory of electrification. First is origin of charge. Origin of charge. According to this theory, charge originates in an atom. An atom has positive charge on protons which are present in the nucleus. The negative charge exists on electrons which revolve around the nucleus. An atom has neutral particles too, called neutrons, which have no charge. The positive charge of a proton is equal in magnitude to the negative charge of an electron. An atom is electrically neutral. This is so because in an atom the number of protons and electrons are equal. This results in equal positive and negative charges, making the atom neutral. In chemistry we have learned an atom consists neutron, proton and electrons. Protons have positive charge and electrons have negative charge. Next is free and bound charges. Free and bound charges. The electrons which are in orbits close to the nucleus are called the bound electrons, as they are strongly held by the nucleus. As the distance of the orbit from the nucleus increases, the nuclear pull on the electron decreases. These electrons in the outermost orbit experience a weak nuclear pull. In solids, especially metals, such outermost electrons can overcome the weak nuclear pull and move freely. Such electrons are called free electrons. Next is positive and negative charges. Positive and negative charges. Minus VA means negative. So positive and negative charges. First point is negative charge on a body. Point 1 is negative charge on a body. Consider a fluorine atom which has an equal number of electrons and protons, 9 each, making the atom neutral. If an electron is added, the number of electrons in the atom exceeds the number of protons in the atom, then acquires a negative charge. Thus, the excess of electrons result in a negative charge. Second is positive charge on a body. Positive charge on a body, as it is. So we have seen that a neutral atom gets negatively charged by adding an electron to it. Similarly, can we charge an atom positively by adding a proton? Not at all. The way of electrons are transferred and can exist independently. Protons cannot. This is because they are tightly packed in the nucleus. It is practically impossible to isolate protons from the nucleus. How then does a body acquire positive charge? Suppose we remove an electron from a neutral fluorine atom. The number of electrons are 8, which are less than the number of protons, 9, leaving the atom positively charged. Thus, the deficiency of electrons results in a positive charge. Next is modern theory of electrification in a nutshell. Modern theory of electrification in a nutshell. First point is the electrification of a body is caused by the transfer of electrons but not by the transfer of protons. Second is an excess of electrons results in a negative charge on a body. Third point is a deficiency of electrons results in a positive charge on a body. I hope you've understood till this. In part 2 of chapter electricity, we will learn new topics, that is electrification, then frictional electrification, then we'll learn mechanism of frictional electrification. Also an interesting topic, that is how does a Xerox machine works. Till that, I hope you have understood till this. Also, we'll try to solve one problem based on this. I hope you have understood this part. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 8th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.